In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the stock screener in Seeking Alpha. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find stocks that match your criteria in just a few clicks, whether you're on desktop or using your phone. First, let's open the stock screener. On desktop, hover your cursor over the Investing menu at the top, then go to Screener and select Stocks. On mobile, tap Investing, then Screener, then Stocks. Interfaces can change slightly over time, but this path is the standard way to get there on both devices. Once you're in the screener, it's time to choose your filters. If you're on a free account, you can filter by several useful basics. Market cap lets you narrow by company size, such as small, mid, or large. Smaller caps can be more volatile, while large caps tend to be more established. Sector or industry helps you focus on areas like technology, energy, or healthcare, which is helpful if you're targeting a theme or diversifying your portfolio. Price lets you set a range, for example between $10 and $100, so you can avoid penny stocks or narrow down to a comfortable buying range. Dividend yield is great if you're looking for income. A positive yield means the company pays dividends, and a higher percentage means more income per dollar invested, though always consider sustainability. P/E ratio is a valuation metric comparing price to earnings. Lower P/E can suggest a cheaper valuation relative to earnings, while higher P/E can reflect faster growth expectations. To add any of these, click or tap Add Filter, then select one or more criteria. You can combine filters like mid-cap technology companies with a dividend yield above 2% and a PE below a level you're comfortable with. After you've selected your filters, click Apply or Run Screener. The results will load in a table showing the stocks that meet your criteria. Take a moment to scan the list. If you see too many results, tighten your filters by adding another criterion or narrowing your ranges. If you're not getting enough results, loosen the filters by widening a range or removing one that's too restrictive. This back and forth is normal and helps you find a workable set of opportunities that fit your goals. That's the core workflow. Open the screener, choose filters that match what you care about, and apply them to see a focused list of stocks. With a little practice, you'll quickly build efficient screens and spend more time evaluating the right ideas instead of sorting through everything.